Hey guys, wanted to talk with you about what we carry in our rig in case we have an emergency on the road with like a blowout or just a tire that needs a little extra air in it. What this is the DeWalt cordless air inflator. And I bought this a couple of years ago because prior to that I found myself on the side of the road after a blowout. Didn't have any kind of air compressor with me. I did have a spare tire, but the spare tire was 30 pounds low. It was almost flat itself with no way to air it up. So I said right then I'd never get caught off guard like that again. So I bought this and I've been really happy with it. This thing is really more than just a tire air compressor. It's got several functions. It does run off a 20-volt cordless DeWalt battery, so if you've got drills that are already using that battery, it just goes right in the box with the drills, and when I need it, I've got the batteries right there for it. It also comes with a 12-volt power cord, so you can run this from the cab of the truck all the way back. The cord's long enough to reach back to the camper and use it. It will inflate up to 100 psi. Now once you get up to those numbers, 80 psi is where I run my tires for my camper, it is slow, but something is better than nothing, and it does work really well. Not only does it work for tires, but it's also got some attachments here where we can air up air mattresses, footballs, basketballs, because we've always got some of those that need some air, and you can just pop this attachment on there and air those up. So it's really a good compact unit that does a lot of things. So the way this thing works, it's pretty much foolproof. It's got a start button right here, and you will select the PSI that you're looking for, and then just hit the play button right here, and it does it, and it shuts off when it reaches that desired PSI. So we've been really happy with this thing. It comes with a little light too right here on the front. That thing is not very bright, but I guess if you don't have a flashlight, it does work in a pinch. But so far we've been really happy with it. I know a lot of full-time RVers use Via Air, and honestly, if we were full-time, I would probably use that same thing, just because it's a much more robust unit and can handle a lot more. But we're weekend warriors. I've got an air compressor here at home, so everything is filled up to where it should be before we leave, and this is really just for an emergency purposes, and then for smaller things like air mattresses, footballs, basketballs, things like that. But if you don't have anything at all, I would recommend getting something like this and just throwing it in the toolbox or behind the seat. This thing will fit in any storage compartment on our camper, so it doesn't take a lot of room. It's not heavy, but if the need ever came up, it'd be good to have. So just wanted to share that with you. Hope you guys are having a good time out there. Stay safe. God bless.